Hi, it's Private Citizen with part 2 of the Cubby fan install. If you watched part 1, then you know that the fan I installed didn't move much air and was pretty much ineffective. So I bought two other models to try out. One is a Devmo model which has a USB already connected to it, and the other is a Winsinn model which does not. So if you decide to use the Winsinn, you will need to cut off the connector on the end, and you can either splice it with the connector from the original fan so that you still keep the second USB connector, or if you have an old mouse or some other USB device laying around, you can cut that off and use that cord. You just need to connect the red and black cables from the USB connector to the red and black cables on the fan. Here you can see pictures of the packaging and what it looked like, and then there's a demonstration I tried to do showing you the fan output or how much air was moving. It's not a very good demonstration, but you get the idea. The angle of the camera makes it hard to see the output of the Winsinn, which is actually a 30 millimeter by 30 millimeter, so it's 5 millimeters bigger than the other two fans, and actually puts out considerably more air than the Devmo model. To see how the two fans worked, I started with the regular outside temperature, which was 61 degrees. You can see that in the photo. Then I show a picture of the cubby hole with the foam insert and the beef probes or the meat probes. You can see one is inside the foam and one is outside the foam. So probe one is outside the foam, just inside the cubby, and the other one is in the foam on the face side of the cell phone. The next few photos show the temperatures while the phone was either inside the foam in the cubby or the foam was in the cubby without any foam at all, and with and without the fan running. I think the Winston model works best overall, but you'll have to do some splicing slash soldering to get it connected and used, whereas the other Denmo model is plug and play. You can see in the photo a listing of my pros and cons and final thoughts. Thank you for watching.